નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 9th, Subject Science, Chapter 12, Sound. Dear students, today we will discuss some of the numerical questions. So, question number 1, a sound wave has a frequency of 2 kilohertz and wavelength 35 centimeter. How long will it take to travel 1.5 kilometer? How long will it take to travel 1.5 kilometers? So this is the question is given, and how will you have to solve? So we have to find the time. Okay. So first of all, we will see what was given here. So you know that frequency. What do you mean by frequency? The number of the complete waves. So that is produced in 1 second. That is called as frequency. Or in other words, you can say that the number of vibrations per second is called as frequency. Okay. So this is about the frequency. Now you know that the frequency is measured by hertz, Hz, Hertz. So you know that 1 kilohertz is equal to 1000 hertz or 1000 Hz. How it is denoted? Capital H, small z, hertz, and kilohertz means here small k and capital H and small z. So in this way you have to write. So now you will see that what is given here now. So you will write the frequency. Okay. Frequency is equal to how much you have to write? 2 kilohertz. So frequency is equal to, okay, F is equal to, right here, F is equal to, so how much? 2k hertz. So is equal to 2000 hertz. Okay, this one written. Okay, now wavelength. You know that wavelength also you are knowing. What do you mean by wavelength? So that all you have learned in the last explanations. Okay, and wavelength is denoted by lambda. Lambda is like this. So like this way, lambda you are saying. Okay, so this wavelength is how, what? The distance between the two consecutive compressions and as well as two consecutive refractions. So that is called as a wavelength. And it is a Greek word. Okay, and it is denoted by lambda. So Greek word lambda is 50. So the wavelength is how much? Wavelength is here 35 centimeter. So 35 centimeter will change it into meter. Okay, will change in the meter. And 35 centimeter will change in the meter. In any way you can write either decimal or in the fractions. Anyway you can write. Okay, I will write like this, this much meter. Or you can point 0.35 meter in this way also you can write. Okay. Now what you have to find? You have to find velocity of the sound. So velocity of the sound. Velocity of sound. So is equal to, velocity of the sound is equal to frequency into lambda. Frequency multiplied by lambda. Okay, you know that frequency how much? Frequency is 2000 multiplied by 35 by 100. Okay, you can cut both this. So in this way what you will get? 700 meter per second you will get. So what you will get? 700 meter per second. You know that now the distance is given. Distance is how much given? 1.5 kilometers. So here I will use distance is 1 point. Okay, distance 1.5 kilometer. So means 1500 meter. So this you are knowing 1.5 into 1000. So then remove the one decimal point. So you will get 1500 meter. So now use the formula. You are knowing that velocity is equal to d divided by t. So v is equal to d divided by t. But here you are finding how long it will will take. So means time you have to find. So therefore, time is equal to V multiplied by, V divided by dA, time is equal to, so you can use the, okay, you will just remove it. So you know that the time velocity is equal to d divided by t. Okay, this is the formula, and we are finding now t. Okay, t is equal to d divided by v, d divided by v. Okay, you can, this one you can cross it here, you can come here. So like this way you can do. Now d, you know that value of d, keep here. The value of d is 1500 meter, and then okay, meter I will write. Okay, then the time is here, you know that here you got it 700 meter per second. So that is one. 7, you are finding the time, and velocity we are finding 700 meter per second. And this is removed. Okay, meter. So you got the answer here. So what answer you will get? Answer you will get 15 by 7 second. It means you can divide this. So 15 divided by 7. So 7 to the 14 and 1. So you will get 22.1 second. So what is the answer you got? 2.1 second you got the answer. So what is the question is given? A sound wave has a frequency of 2 kilohertz and wavelength is 35 centimeter. And how long it take to travel 1.5 kilometer? This is the question. Okay, whatever given, frequency is given. So 2 kilohertz is equal to 2000 hertz. And lambda means that is the wavelength. So 35 centimeter. You can write 30 by 500 or you can write 0.35. It is also correct. So we are finding the velocity of the sound using the formula frequency multiplied by lambda. So like this you got velocity is 700 meter per second. And then distance is given 1.5 kilometers, so we change it into meters. And how we have 1.5 multiplied by 1000, so we will get 1500 meter. So again use the formula velocity is equal to d upon t, and time is equal to d divided by v. So after getting 15 by 7 seconds, and then after the what cancelizations and simplification, we get 2.1 seconds. So this way you have to solve this question. Now I will go for second question. A person clap means clapping. So you like this way, no? A person is clapping. Clapping means so like this, clapping. A person is clapped from, what is given, you see, his hands near a cliff. Near a cliff means what? A vertical stone here, vertical stone, near a cliff, a hard stone. And heard the echo. Echo we are knowing that will be returns back. What do you mean by echo? That is also you learned. Okay. And this one, heard the echo. Okay, person is here and it produces and again comes back. Okay, returns back. Heard the echo. What is the distance? So this total distance. What is the distance of the clip from the person? Only the distance you have to find. If the speed of the sound v is taken as 346 meter per second. So this is the question is given here. And we will solve. First of all, you see velocity of the sound. So velocity of the sound is equal to what you will write, 346 meter per second. So velocity of sound is equal to 346 meter per second. Okay, this one is given only. And next to total distance. Total distance means what? From here, okay, the clip our sound will go here and up to here. So that will be 2D. Okay, one is going and as well as coming. So this will be distance 2 times. So total distance will be 2D. Total distance. Okay, Now, the time taken is, how much your time taken is? 2 seconds. So like this way time taken. And this is the one. And here also 2 kilohertz and 35 and SMS 135. So like this, 1.5 like this. And here you see this much is given only after 2 second time. Total time taken, total time taken 2 seconds. So you know that total time is going as well as coming. So this is full time. So now we'll use the formula that velocity is equal to, you know that v is equal to d divided by t. So this one we can use the formulas here. So v is equal to d divided by t. In this way we can use. So here velocity is given only. Velocity is how much? Velocity is 346. D how much? Distance, total distance is 2d. 2d is given. And time is 2 seconds. So this is the way we can fill up this. V is equal to d divided by t. So now simplify this. 2d is equal to 346 multiplied. So this is equal to this multiplied this. So 2d is equal to 346 multiplied by 2. So then you will get the answer of 246 this much. How will you get? So 2 6 are 12, 1 2 4 8, just 692 you will get. So what is the answer you got? 692. 692 meters. So this much meter you got it. Okay. So then here this much is about the 2D. Therefore D is equal to, then what you have to find? Therefore D is equal to 692 divided by 2. So then the answer will be, so after the division you will get 346 meter you will get. So divide this one and we will get the answer 346 meter. So in this way, this answer. So distance is 346 meter. So this one is, so this also you can rub it 692 meter. So I will write now 347. The same thing I will write here 346 multiplied by 2. So here I will write 346 multiplied by 2 is equal to 692 meter. Okay. So this one you may not see that, or you may not able to look there. So that's why I will write here 692. The same thing I have written here. 346 multiplied by 2 is equal to 692 meter. Okay, you know that this is the 2D value got it. So this is the value of the 2D. So now we will write, we will find the distance. So we find the distance 692 divided by the 2. 692 divided by 2. So after the division you got it 346 meter you will get. Okay, 2 1 2, 2 4 and 8, 2 1. So here, see you got it 692 meters. See this one, and after the completion of this, you will get that 346. After the simplification, you got it 346. So, dear students, what is the question? Says a person clapped his hands near a cliff. Near a cliff means a vertical stone, you know, these obstacles in front of it, and heard the echo, the sound reflected back. That is, we are calling the echo. After the 2 seconds, what is the distance you have to find? The distance means going and coming now. What actually it moves to the obstacle, click from the person, if the speed of the sound is taken as 346 meter per second. So what we have written here, velocity of the sound that is given in the question 346 meter per second, and total distance here. Total distance means what? going up to the obstacle and as well as coming. So that is why distance 2 times. So that will be 2. And total time taken, that is given in the question itself, 2 seconds. So you will use the formulas that velocity is equal to d divided by t. So velocity we have written 346 and 2d upon 2 also we have written. Okay. So then after the simplification, 2d is equal to 346 multiplied by 2. So this one I will write like this. So here we will make it like this. 2d is equal to 346 multiplied by 2. So in this way also we can write. The same thing I have taken here. So answer will be, you will get 692 meters. 692. So after the multiplication of this, and then you are finding the d value 692 upon 2. So then 346 meters. So that is the distance. Okay, got the idea, students? So this is the way you have to solve the numerical questions. Okay, so we have completed the lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for joining us.